हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 50 की डिक्टेशन। लेट स्टार्ट। वी आर सरप्राइज्ड टू नो फ्रॉम योर फेवर ऑफ द 6th of August of the extremely long delay in the delivery of the Shure and Gloucestershire books. Full stop. So far as we can discover, there is no very clear reason for the delay. Full stop. We have looked into the case as you may be sure, and it is still a mystery. Full stop. Mr. Strong, our dispatch clerk, expressly disclaims any blame, but if possible, he will take more care with the books still to come. Full stop. He will personally supervise the addressing of the parcels. Full stop. By the way, we hope to have the new ex-bride book ready very soon. Full stop. It will be in the same style as our classical library. Full stop. Thank you.